Hi, this is Priyanka. I'm from Jago Investor team and today I'm going to tell you about mutual fund software by Jago Investor. Before that, let's know a little bit about this software. This software will help you to manage your mutual fund portfolio with Jago Investor team and your financial goals. This is a software given only to Jago Investor clients who are managing their mutual funds investment with us. It is a paid software but given complimentary to all clients. This will be our URL. You just have to click on this URL. Once you click here, you will be directed to this page where you have to enter your username, password and then click on login. Our team will provide you the username and password. This will be the first page once you log into our site or the software. Then click on latest transaction. Once you click on latest transaction, you can see the snapshot of your last 30 days transactions. Then if you click on snapshot, in this section you can see the snapshot of your investments, your net gain and the annual return you are getting. You can see a table here. Then click on portfolio and then on summary. In this section, you can see the summary of your investments and mutual fund names and the exact investment and returns. If you click on a fund name, then a new pop-up will appear which will give you more details about that particular fund. Now click on goal and then goal status. In this section, you will see all your goals name and the status of those goals. If you click on goal statement, this section will show you your goals and the fund names which are linked with it. Click on invest online if you want to do any investment, SIP or redemption online from your account. This is a purchase section. This should be used to do any totally new investment in a new AMC. If you want to do any new investment but in an existing AMC which is already part of your portfolio, then don't use this section. This is additional purchase section. This link should be used when you want to do any additional purchase in an existing mutual fund or any new fund but an existing AMC. Basically, you must be already having a folio number and you need to choose that folio number while doing any additional investment. This is SIP transaction section. Using this section, you can increase your existing SIP or do a totally new SIP in a new mutual fund but with an existing folio. Which means that if you already have a folio in ICICI mutual fund, then you can start any SIP in ICICI, but you will have to choose the folio in drop down. This is redemption section. From here, you can put orders for redemption. The money will be credited to your account within 1 to 5 working days depending on the type of fund. Thanks for watching this presentation. In case of any queries, please reach out to our relationship manager or mail us at support@jagoinvestor.com. Also note that this is a first level presentation for you to understand how the software works. We will soon create a more detailed video with all the features and full demo of the software. Thank you.